Hello everyone, how you all are doing? Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been so long that I've shot a sit down video, so it's high time I should do it now. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you like my content, and also do follow me on Instagram. So let's get started. So today this video is all about the Nykaa Pink Love sale. Recently Nykaa hosted its Pink Love sale, which always happens during February, and it held its sale from 6th February to 16th February, and they had some amazing offers and deals during this sale. Nykaa hosts this kind of sales twice or thrice a year, like their Pink Friday sale, Hot Pink sale, and the Pink Love sale, and these are the times in which they provide the highest discounts and better deals. So as usual, I damaged my wallet and I have a huge haul for you guys. So stay tuned, sit tight, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Let's get started. So I'm gonna go with makeup first and then the skincare and body care products. Firstly, I got this two Charlotte Tilbury ke products, lip products that too, because this is the best time you can grab Charlotte Tilbury products from them. Usually they go from 20 to 25% max of the Charlotte Tilbury products, and sometimes they do host a secret sale of 25 to 30% off, but that is very for a limited period of hours. So if you are lucky enough to explore Charlotte Tilbury products during those particular hours, you might grab a very high discount. So I got these two products for flat 25% off, plus there is always some coupon discount. They keep on exploding in their website, like if you buy for 3,000 or more, you will get 400 rupees off, or if you using some coupon code. So I was lucky enough that both the coupon and the brand discount was going on simultaneously, so I grabbed Plumgasm Charlotte Tilbury product in the shade Pillow Talk medium. So this is like a beautiful lip product. It's a lip gloss or lip plumper kind of product in the shade Pillow Talk medium, and this is how the swatch looks like. I hope it's visible to you guys. It's a beautiful mauvey shade, and it's a plumping lip gloss. This kind of products are very in right now, and it actually looks very nice on the lips. And the second thing which I got is the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution lipstick, which I already have 6 to 7 shades of. So this is in the shade 90s pink. They earlier launched their red color collection, and this time they launched their pink color collection. So this is how the 90s pink look like, and this is a very beautiful shade. It's like a purpley pink shade, and I think it will suit a lot of medium and deeper skin tones as well. So I think it's kind of a nice everyday go-to pink. So I'm really excited to try this product. Next up, I got a product which is on my wish list for a very long time. This brand was earlier not available in India at all. Then it came to Sephora, and now it has come to Nykaa. So usually during such big sales in Nykaa, they give more offers on luxury brands, I think more than Sephora also. So finally I got my hands on NARS foundation. It's a natural radiant long wear foundation. They come in two variants, sheer glow foundation and this natural radiant long wear foundation. I bought this one because my skin is very oily and summers are coming, so I think the other version will look more oily or dewy on me. So this is how the bottle looks like. It's very luxe, sleek, and I love the black glass packaging. This is the matte cap and this is the glass bottle. I got the shade Punjab, but I think that it's gonna be a little light for me, so I have asked for a replacement or exchange of shade if they have in stock. So if they don't return or exchange the shade for me, I might go on with this shade. I'll try to add on some other darker foundations or darker shades of foundations from my vanity, and I'm gonna try to work this out because it's a very expensive foundation. But yes, I got it for flat 10% off, because usually you don't get a percentage discount on such luxury brands. You usually get free products, but this time NARS was on flat 10% off. And plus I got this 1 ml ka liquid lipstick, NARS liquid lipstick in the shade American Women. This is a best selling shade. I was very happy to receive this particular shade as a free gift. I'm quickly going to show the swatch of the shade as well. So this is how the swatch looks like. It's a very nice peachy pink shade. I think this will flatter almost every skin tone. I really like this shade and I wanted to try this shade for so long. So now that I have my small mini version, I would love to buy the full version as well, because I tried it on my lips and I love it how it looked on my no makeup look also. So yeah, this is a nice travel size bottle, and I'm very happy to get 10% discount plus a free gift from NARS. Next up, I got a kind of trending product which I've seen everywhere. It's a new launch from Maybelline. So this is their Sun-Kissed blush, and I got the shade Downtown Rush. I was again very confused of whether to pick up the Uptown shade or this Downtown Rush, but I finally got this shade, and there was not much discount on it because it is a new launch, but still I got 10% off on my order. So I thought, why not try this blush come highlighter product. It's a shade Downtown Rush, and it's a really nice orange peachy shade. I think it will look amazing during summers. I have seen a lot of influencers trying it on for the first time, and I loved how it looked very nice and glowy and glow from within finish kind of look. So I'm very excited to try this on my skin as well. It's a very interesting launch. Then next up I got Etude House ka fixing tint in the shade Rose Blending. So I follow an influencer called All Things Bomb. A lot of you might also be following her. So I really liked the swatch of the shade on her lips, and she always recommend this shade from Etude House. So I thought, why not give it a try? It's because I love rosy shades, I love pink shades. I really wanted to try this shade for so long, and again Etude House was on very good discount, so I finally got the shade I wanted, and this is how the shade looks like. I have actually started wearing this shade on my lips. I wore it twice already after receiving it, and I love how it looks on your lips. It looks very blurred on your lips. It is not at all shiny. It is kind of a matte blurred look. This color looks amazing without makeup as well. I love investing in this shade, and I've heard that Etude House has amazing lip products, so you should also try out their lip products. Next up, I got this Hyphen Ka lip balm. This is again a viral product which everyone is trying right now. Since 6-7 months, lip tints and lip balms are very much in. They are more in than the lip products. Everyone is using just a lip gloss above their lip liners, or just a lip tint or lip plumper, that to the tinted versions. So this kind of tinted lip balms are very much in right now, and girls are loving it. Like everyone is loving it on their lips. It's kind of a no lipstick mode going on right now, I think, for a lot of people. So even I restocked a lot of lip tints and lip glosses which are tinted. This is the Hyphen Ka vitamin infused peptide lip balm in the shade Marshmallow. Again, this is a pink shade. It comes in 3 shades, I guess. I got my hands on this one, and you can see how tinted it looks, and it's so moisturizing on your lips. I usually wear this only to my gym class, or mostly wear this one because this gives a very natural tint on your lips, and it is very moisturizing and hydrating. So I really love and enjoy this product because it's very budget friendly also, and it's very much trending also, and it's for a good reason actually. Next up, I got this NYX Ka tattoo liner. As you can see, it's still packed and sealed. I've not opened it yet, but this is my second or third NYX Ka tattoo liner. It's very nice. I'm quickly gonna show you the tip of this product. This is how the tip looks like, and I'm gonna show you the swatch. This is how matte and black and dark the shade is. Very nice and precise, and I love the stay of this product. It's kind of waterproof, but not very hard to take off. But it's not easily dissolving on the skin. Like even if you cry, it won't budge. I really like this about this product. And secondly, I had to restock on my Lakme eyeliners. If you are old to my channel, you must be knowing by now that I love these eyeliners. I just can't do my eyeliner without this one because this is the best tool for me. The way it is matte and so easy to apply, I am in just love with this. I think I have been using this eyeliner since 8 to 10 years now, and I finished like 20 or 30 bottles of this by now, and right now I'm almost out of it, so I had to restock my Lakme eyeliners. Even if you're using eyeliner every day, you'll not be able to finish this up in 3 to 4 months also. It's so long lasting. Next up, as I love using raw product every day, like a sunscreen, eyebrow product is very must and important for me. I can't just come out without doing my eyebrows. They're very thin also, so I just need to groom my eyebrows before starting my day. So I usually stock up on my eyebrow products, or I keep experimenting with new eyebrow products if I get anything in good discount. So this time I invested in this Root Cosmetics eyebrow pencil. This has again spoolie one side and the product other side. So it is again a thin, very thin wand which is very precise and easy to just carve your brows in. I have started using this. It's nice, it's not bad, But again, Anastasia and Benefit do the best eyebrow pencils, so no one top those products. But yeah, this is a good everyday eyebrow pencil, and there is nothing bad I want to say about this. Again, one more product which is my very favorite, and it's a cult favorite also, but it's little on the high-end brand side, and that is Smashbox ka Photo Finish Primer. This has changed my makeup game, guys. This primer has never disappointed me. I have, I think, 4 or 5 of this in different sizes. Again, I was in good discount. I think it was buy one get one offer on Smashbox, so I restocked on this product. It's a kind of silicone-based primer, but it is not at all bad to your skin, and it blurs out pores like no one else does. Very close dupe of this is the new Huda Beauty ka primer, but this surpasses everyone, I guess. This is the best high-end primer you can invest in. If you have a lot of textured skin or a lot of pore problem, then you must try this product. At least for special occasions, you can definitely buy it. So this is a very highly recommended primer always. So I think that was all the makeup products I ordered this time. Next, I'm gonna talk about all the skincare products which I bought from the sale. First, let's talk about the restocks which I did. Firstly is the Neutrogena ka sunscreen, which this is a sunscreen which I always talk about, and I keep on restocking it. If you have seen my NT's videos, you will always find this product in my vanity all the time. So as summers are approaching, I need to be ready with all my sunscreen stocks. So yeah, this is the Neutrogena ka sunscreen which I love. Next up, this Innisfree ka aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel, I think, is the product which you should always have at your home. Like you always have a coconut oil bottle in your home. Aloe vera gel is very nice for your skin, for your hair, for your nails, for your eye elbows. So I think it's a very nice product. There are a lot of options in the market, and you can go for any of the product. But since I've started using this Innisfree aloe vera gel, I could not go back. I always stock on this particular product only, because this firstly lasts for a year or more, I think. And then whenever I get out of stock, I always wait for the sale and buy this one always from the Innisfree, because it's very nice, soothing the aloe vera gel. My husband love it. Whenever I shave my face, I always use it post shaving. I love how it performs on my skin. I just love this brand for aloe vera gel. Next up is a recommendation product. There's an influencer. She's a big influencer whom I follow. So she posted a story about this product, and I DM'd her regarding my questions regarding this product, and luckily she DM'd me back. She replied me back, and we had a chat regarding this particular product, and I'm glad I spoke to her about this before buying. After this, I'm loving this product. This is Indulgio Essentials ka Squalene Facial Serum Oil, and this is how it looks like. This is squalene with rose essential oil, and it contains natural hyaluronic acid. So usually serums does not suit me, guys. It does not suit me. I've tried so many serums on my face, and it always disappoints me. I get breakouts after 7 days or 5 days of use of them. So I'm just fed up of why not any of the serums work on my face. Once I started trying this, I started this with once or twice a week. This I got during my last sale and have restocked this time, and since then I did not break out by using this product. I really like this serum oil because it has natural hyaluronic acid, it has squalene and rose essential oils, which is always a good for skin. As this is a hyaluronic acid, how I love to use it after washing my face with a cleanser. I keep my face damp and I apply the serum oil before applying the moisturizer. This is how you're supposed to use a hyaluronic acid serum or facial oil. It should be used on a damp skin. That's how I started using it, and now I use it every alternate day. I really feel the difference on my hyperpigmentation and my acne marks, and I'm really enjoying this product right now. Next up, I got this Put Simply Ka moisturizer. This also is a recommendation from my very good friend. She loves using it. She has dry skin though, and she loves using it in the morning as well as evening, but I think it suits me only mostly during winters and in the night time. This is not good for me during the daytime, I guess, because when I started using it daytime, I got a little bit bumps here and there, so I thought I'll just restrict this moisturizer on my face to the night time only. I've heard that this brand is very good actually. I've heard a lot of people reviewing about Put Simply Ki sunscreen as well as their serums and this moisturizer, so I was really excited to try this product. It is very much similar to Clinique Moisture Surge and Neutrogena Hydra Boost kind of products. So I really like the texture of this. It absorbs very quickly on my skin. I just want to use this as my night cream for now, because my skin is very sensitive and very acne prone. So I still enjoy using it as my night cream. Next up, I got Laneige ka lip balm. Laneige is again, this product needs no introduction. It's a great lip balm for chablets and especially during night time. During winters, I get very chablets, so this is a game changer for me. Whenever I get good discounts, I restock on my Laneige lip balms, maybe sometimes mini, sometimes full size. This time I got this vanilla flavored lip balm in the full size. I was getting a very good deal on this. Laneige is a very good lip balm. If you haven't tried it, you should, guys. You should inculcate this lip balm in your vanity for sure. This is a very nice lip balm and no one can beat this. Even their tube ones are very good for morning time. You can use it as your lip balm before your lipstick, or you can use it over your lipstick as a lip gloss also. So I highly recommend this product to you guys as well. Next up, I got Foxtail ka this purple color skin radiance mask, and not one but I got two of them, one for my mom and one for myself. I've been watching about this mask for so long, like a lot of people are applying it and posting about this product. So it was like, whenever any product get trendy or viral, I get very excited to try those products especially. So I wanted to have this product with me for so long, and I finally purchased this, and I'm quickly gonna open it with you guys only. I just opened the seal of this bottle, and wow, look at the color, guys. Look at this beautiful purple color. I think I'm just happy to use it just for its color because it looks so pretty, and I usually love using clay mask on my face because clay mask actually works for me. I think it leaves such kind of radiance and softness to my skin after using. I never broke out after using any clay mask, so I'm always prone to using new clay masks from time to time. I think this will surely gonna be beneficial to my skin for sure, and I'm sure my mother is gonna love this too. So let's see if I need to restock this in future or not. Next up, I again got Nivea ka roll-on. This is again, I bought a demo product. This is a very nice roll-on, guys. I recommend two roll-ons always. This Nivea ka roll-on and the Chemist Play ka roll-ons. They both are amazing. This comes in a lot of different fragrances and variants. You can try any one of them. But this is a very nice budget-friendly deodorant, and this is a restock for me. I always restock my body care and skincare products when I get them on good deals. So now I'm quickly gonna show you some free products which I got from this Nykaa sale from buying all these products which I just showed you. So firstly, I got this Neutrogena ka full size cleanser which I got as a free gift with my Neutrogena purchase. A cleanser is always a basic need in your day-to-day life. And secondly, last month was my birthday month. Right before my birthday month ends, I placed a small order which I also included in this haul only. That is my NYX eyeliner. With that, I got a free gift. This is Moe by Nykaa ka perfumed body lotion. It's always nice to have a full-size body lotion as a free gift or a birthday gift. I'm happy with my birthday gift from Nykaa, so thank you, Nykaa. Two more products which I got as a free sample with my purchase was this L'Oreal ka Hyaluronic Moisture Shampoo, and look at this cute packaging, guys. This has a small lid in the pouch which you can always lock and keep it for the next use, because usually once you open the pouch you need to finish it off or you need to keep it upright so that the product doesn't come out or leak. I'm happy to get this as a free gift. Next up, I got this CeraVe ka cleanser. This is again a viral cleanser or a very famous best-selling cleanser. CeraVe is also now available in Nykaa. I would love to try this sample cleanser first and how it performs on my face, and then I might consider getting a full size. So these are all the products I purchased from Nykaa sale. There is one more order which is still pending to arrive, so that I might show you on my reels because I have not received those order yet, and I wanted to film this video for so long since I got all the other products. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I hope you also shop from the Nykaa Pink Love sale like I shop. I would love to know what all you guys got in the comment section below. If you want a review of any other product I showed today in this video, do let me know, and I would love to review those products for you guys. And do follow me on Instagram, and if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and stay happy, stay healthy, and stay safe. Bye.